To set up mobile hotspot in Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to select network and internet, and after that we'll be able to find the hotspot and tethering. Before we enter it, make sure that data saver is disabled, otherwise you won't be able to set up your hotspot. Now we can click on the option right here, which will allow us to either enable or disable our hotspot, or we can adjust all of the settings. So let's go through all of the options right here. First one being hotspot name. You can change the name for the network. It will change how other people will be able to see your hotspot in their Wi-Fi list. Then security allows you to switch between different protocols. In this case, I cannot change it because of my frequency. Security settings may change if you change the hotspot frequency. So and now if we go for the frequency options and switch to 2.4 and 5G, we should be able to pick different options. So we can choose the WPA3, 2 or 2 standalone. This middle one is free with 2 with free. So choose whichever option you like for the password, or if you don't want to use password, select none. In this case, I'm gonna go for WPA2, and then we can adjust the password. Keep in mind, password needs to have at least 8 digits. So when you enter the password, click on OK, or if you don't want to change it, you can always preview it right here. Then there's the option to disable your hotspot automatically if there's no devices connected for around 15 minutes. Then there's the speed and compatibility options. We can put it on 2.4 and 5G. Together or 6G. So the difference is with 2.4 and 5G, your hotspot will be more compatible with other devices, which means older devices will be able to connect with your hotspot without any issue. If you go for 6G, only devices that are supported by 6G will be able to connect with it. So make your choice right here. The second 6G option offers you higher speed, but 5G is honestly pretty good as well. And then we have the option for instant hotspot. If you enable it and set it up, you'll be able to share your hotspot with your other devices so that they can connect with that automatically. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.